Okay, let's start. Good evening, Sir Janelle. This is my reflection for our assignment on the topic, which theories builds a better nation? Sa okay mo to. Okay. When we talk about development, there are many ways to explain it, but two of the most common perspectives are modernization theory and dependency theories. These theories help us to understand why other countries are moving faster while our countries are still continuing struggling. Pun. Good evening, Sir Janelle. This is my reflection for our assignment on the topic, which theories helps to build a better nation. Buching-ching! Ito. Pon, di ba makakabukas mo? Kinaka. Okay, let's begin.